Hola, my name is Juan Carlos. Well, I'm a guide in Costa Rica, tour guide in Costa Rica. Been working here for about 8 years, mostly in the area of Arenal, a rainforest, the Arenal hanging bridges, where we have lots of wonderful things to see, lots of plants, lots of diversity. We have a species of walking tree here. Walking tree is popular name for all the different species of plants that compete for the sun. It's a very unusual thing, guys. Very unusual to see rain around here. We're very lucky, huh? Maximum 15 people in each bridge. My favorite species, well, it's hard to tell. I've seen in this forest lots of beautiful, great scenes. It's like hard for me, like working for 8 years and seeing different stuff, like to pick up one. This thing you see here, it's a regular leaf that changes its colors. It modifies its colors and its shape to become attractive to pollinators. We are at the Ecocentro Danaus, devoted to conservation. This is 2 kilometers east from La Fortuna town, so it's a good chance to see the different attractions of the rainforest.